guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel back on your screen with another video. If you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and also if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to tighten your cushy or your Jerusalem using alum. This is just a solid white rock or stone that is used for tightening process, especially for women who had just given birth and is looking to tighten up their cushy. So this is a very good remedy, home remedy to use for yourself if you're trying to tighten up your cushy. I got my alum from the local market, but if you can't access any local market around you, you can buy it either from Amazon or from any African store around. This is just a white stone with numerous benefits, but they will be concentrating on its benefits for the female organs. So if you're interested in seeing how to use this alum to tighten up your cushy, please keep on watching. Because these alums are usually exposed in the local markets, dust and dirt and all of those things get on the alum. I'm going to be washing it first to remove all those dirt and dust, because it's something we are going to be using in our body and we want it to be very clean. So I'll be washing the dirt and the dust out of the alum. But if yours is clean and sealed, there won't be any need to wash it. So after washing it, the next thing I'll be doing is topping up water, adding water into the stone, into the bowl with the alum stone. Yes, so I'm just going to let this sit for a while and let the alum kind of dissolve gradually inside the water. You have to be vigilant and watch it. You don't want it to dissolve too much. Hence, you're going to end up with a very tight cushy. You just want a little amount of the alum to dissolve in the water to like a sparsely cloudy consistency or appearance, and then you're going to take out the alum from the water. Yes, you can make this in a big quantity so that you don't have to drop the alum every day, but I'm just teaching you guys. So you can make this in a big bottle and drop the alum. Yeah, so now I've taken out the alum and this is the water you have, and you should use this water to wash your cushy every day, morning and night, and you should do this consistently and you're going to see results. It's going to tighten up your cushy instantly. So guys, if you're preparing in a large quantity, a cup will be enough for this home remedy. You should take just a cup and squat very well and wash your cushy with it. Wash intensively and you're going to notice changes in your cushy. Is going to become tight and firm. Yeah, so we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and turn on that bell. Until next time, see you. Bye.